Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a quick and simple makeup look. Very simple, barely any products. Basically what I would do for going to school if I wanted to wear makeup that day. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be doing today. If you want to see more makeup related videos, make sure you guys let me know down below. I do have a makeup Instagram page that I would have right here. Yeah, that's where I post all my makeup looks. So if you guys want to see tutorials and stuff like that, just let me know. Yeah, I think I mentioned in one of my older videos that I stopped doing makeup tutorials because I just wasn't feeling it anymore. But if there's something you guys want to see, I will definitely do it. So first things first, I do my brows. Recently I got the Milani pot in the color dark brown. However, I don't know, but this color just isn't the right color for me. Like, it works, but like it takes a lot of product just for it to look good. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using my Essence brow pencil. Super cheap. This was, I think, like $1. I'll have all the prices of everything and where I bought it on the screen. So I'm going to be using this makeup palette as my mirror. So one thing I don't like about this pencil, like, it's not a problem, it's just that you have to continuously sharpen it to get it sharp, and the color is also a little bit off, which is why like this brow is so smudgy and stuff, because like the pencil's not sharp and it just like smudges on. But that's where concealer comes in, and that's where I use my Holy Grail, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Don't really know what shade this is. Oh, pure beige. I use this to conceal my brows. I actually just bought this. Before this I was using a Rimmel London, which I also loved but ran out, so got something cheaper. Okay, so right now I look pretty crazy, but that's just how I like to do my concealer, to make sure that the brows match to an extent. You know, I want to get them as close as possible, but it's okay if it's like just a notch off. And then take a brush like this, and I just basically rub in all that concealer to get it out the way. Obviously you want to rub it in really good because you don't want flashback. And after it's like semi rubbed in, I go back in with the concealer and the brow pencil and tweak it up a little bit. Brows take the longest because I want them to look like amazing, because it's like what people see when they first like see your makeup is like the brows. So I try to get them as perfect as possible. Like, okay, so after I get them as similar as I can get them without taking too long, because, you know, gotta get to school, I like to prime my face. This is actually a primer that I got kind of recently. Well, not really recently. I just started using it recently, and it's the Bare Minerals Blemish Rescue primer, and I really like it. It's a mattifying primer. I'm more of like a, I don't want to look super oily, but I don't want to be like looking all dry or whatever. So use a little bit on my cheeks area and around my nostrils, my nose, chin. I already primed it before this with like some like skincare products that I use. That's what I technically use as my primer. But like my cheek, nose, and like mouth area, sometimes face makeup tends to crease in those areas, so I like to add a little extra primer for those areas. So then I don't wear foundation on a regular day basis because that would waste so much of my money, because I literally go to school then come home. So I use a BB cream, which is basically a moisturizer but like a tinted moisturizer. So this is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh in the color 130 medium/deep, and I've had this for a really long time, which is kind of gross, but there's a lot of product still left in here and I'm not done with it yet. So after that's all said and done, I'm all blended out, I don't look too crazy, not too many colors going on in my face. I sometimes, not all the time, will put on some lashes. These are my absolute favorite, like, everyday lashes. These are the Ardell Whispies. These aren't are these the demi? No, I have the demi ones, but this pack is one that's open, so I'm going to use these. These are just the regular wispy ones. And I'm just going to use some lashes to put on. Okay, so my lashes are on. They look kind of janky right now because I just put them on quickly for this video. But the last step is a NYX Buttergloss. So I have two of these. I have one in Fortune Cookie and one in Madeline. I like Fortune Cookie. Sometimes it's a little too pale, but this one is like perfect. So sometimes I use a lip liner. Most days I don't. I just I'll slap some of this on. So that was the last step. This is how I would go to school. If I wanted to wear makeup for the day, I would just put on these simple things. It's like, what did I do, like 4 or 5 steps? Yeah, and I wouldn't say I look completely different, but I look significantly different than when I started the video with no makeup on. So it's a subtle difference, but it's a difference. Actually, I'm missing something. Oh my god, how could I forget? This is supposed to be like an inexpensive video, but I currently don't own a cheaper highlighter. Even this I don't do every day. Like, I would go out just like this, but if I wanted to be extra, which I am extra, I would just take my glow kit and just do a little glow. I'm sorry, I don't have a fan brush, so this big fluffy brush is my fave. Some on the nose. And now I look extra for real. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. Super fresh face. If I took off the lashes, it would look a little bit more like fresh / natural, but you know, I'm extra, so I gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. If you want to see more makeup videos, like I said, make sure you guys comment down below or thumbs up this video, and I will get to posting more makeup related videos, hauls, looks, anything you guys want to see. Just let me know in the comments down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.